Welcome to JB Nutrition, home of nutrition education and health information. Please, this is for information only and always consult with your healthcare provider before you make drastic dietary and health changes. 20 foods to repair and cleanse your kidney. The following is a list of 20 foods that may help support kidney health by providing important nutrients and reducing the workload on your kidneys. Apples. Apples are high in fiber, antioxidants, and potassium, which can help keep your kidneys healthy. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants and may help reduce inflammation and improve kidney function. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a good source of fiber, potassium, and vitamins A and C, which can help support kidney health. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are low in potassium and high in vitamins C and A, which can help reduce inflammation and improve kidney function. Kale. Kale is a good source of vitamins A and C, calcium, and iron, which can help improve kidney function. Cranberries. Cranberries are high in antioxidants and may help reduce inflammation and prevent urinary tract infections. Pineapple. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory properties and may help improve kidney function. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is low in potassium and high in vitamins C and K, which can help reduce inflammation and improve kidney function. Cabbage. Cabbage is a good source of vitamins C and K, fiber, and antioxidants, which can help support kidney health. Grapes. Grapes are high in antioxidants and may help reduce inflammation and improve kidney function. Egg whites. Egg whites are low in phosphorus and may be a good source of high-quality protein for people with kidney disease. Fish. Fish is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein, which can help improve kidney function. Olive oil. Olive oil is high in monounsaturated fats and may help reduce inflammation and improve kidney function. Almonds. Almonds are a good source of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, which can help support kidney health. Buckwheat. Buckwheat is a good source of fiber, protein, and magnesium, which can help improve kidney function. Lentils. Lentils are a good source of fiber, protein, and iron, which can help support kidney health. Quinoa. Quinoa is a good source of protein, fiber, and magnesium, which can help improve kidney function. Watermelon. Watermelon is high in water content and may help reduce the risk of kidney stones. Lemon. Lemon is high in citric acid and may help prevent kidney stones and improve kidney function. Please subscribe, share and comment.